I also have YouTube available and Twitch is also available. Today, I'm also introducing it so that my YouTube chat can be shown on my screen. So let me bring that up. So what do you guys think? I added this new window in my OBS so that YouTube chat can be available. I'm already seeing some YouTube participation. So this is great. Already seeing some people typing in on Instagram. Samir, thank you so much for being on YouTube. I see some of your questions already, which is great. But listen, let's start off with the global roll call, and we'll get to questions right after. Okay? So global roll call, YouTube, Twitch, even TikTok. Let me know where you're from, where you're joining us from. I love seeing that. You know, I love traveling the world, so it's always exciting for me to see where people are joining in from, and it's also good to see how global data science is. Right? Data science is just so top of mind right now for so many companies and industries and entire countries, really. So let me know where you're from. I'm going to be with you for the next hour, so it's always good to kind of just, you know, level set with each other and figure out where each other is at. Personally, I am on the West Coast of the United States. I live in Las Vegas. So that's where I'm joining you guys from. It's very warm here, very warm part of the country right now. But let me know where you're from. While we're waiting for people to type in, because I'm looking, I see some people on Instagram.